Redox reactions, as the name says, that reduction plus oxidation reactions. That means reduction is happening of one species and oxidation is happening for another species in such type of reactions. Reduction plus oxidation equals to redox, right? So, what is reduction and what is oxidation? We need to understand them separately. So, addition of electron is known as reduction and loss of electron is known as oxidation. Addition of electron or gain of electron is reduction and loss of electron, removal of electron is oxidation. If we try to understand this in terms of oxidation number, then increase in oxidation number is oxidation, decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Another definition is in terms of oxygen and electronegative elements or hydrogen and electropositive elements. That says addition of oxygen or electronegative element is oxidation. Addition of hydrogen or electropositive element is reduction. And in terms of removal, you can say as addition of oxygen is oxidation, addition of hydrogen is reduction. Similarly, you can say removal of hydrogen is oxidation and removal of oxygen is reduction. Alright, so these are few definitions which you can understand to clearly identify where oxidation is happening or where reduction is happening. And these days the best way is oxidation number method. That means increase in oxidation number means oxidation, decrease in oxidation number means reduction. That is the easiest way I can tell you. Now let us see few things happening out here are addition of oxygen, that means oxidation. So what is happening? Mg is getting oxidized. Mg is gaining oxygen to form MgO. So magnesium oxidizes to form magnesium oxide. Similarly, sulfur gains oxygen to form sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide. So these are some oxidation reactions where magnesium is oxidizing into magnesium oxide and sulfur is oxidizing into sulfur oxide, sulfur dioxide or trioxide. Here what is happening? Removal of hydrogen. This again means oxidation. Alright, just before this I explained to you that addition of hydrogen is reduction. So removal of hydrogen will be oxidation. H2S plus Cl2 converts into HCl plus sulfur. So sulfur is getting separated from hydrogen. So this is the oxidized form of H2S. H2S is reduced form of sulfur and sulfur is oxidized form of H2S. Similarly, Hi gains oxygen to form H2O plus I2. So Hi is getting removed I. So what is happening to Hi? Hi electronegative element I is getting removed, that means electronegative element is getting removed. So addition of electronegative element or oxygen is oxidation. So removal is reduction. Alright. Similarly, Cl2 plus H2 converts into HCl. So chlorine is gaining hydrogen. So chlorine is getting reduced. So reduction of chlorine is happening. Similarly, ethene is gaining hydrogen. So reduction of ethene is happening. Here what is happening? Removal of oxygen. So copper oxide is getting reduced because removal of oxygen is happening. Similarly, Fe3O4 is getting reduced because oxygen is getting removed. So on this page we have discussed that what is oxidation, what is reduction, and we have discussed few examples as well. So that's it.